The Supreme Court has reserved the judgment on pleas challenging the weaponization of bulldozer demolition by state governments. The apex court had hinted at laying down guidelines that will be applicable to all communities across India. Ashmit is standing by with more. Ashmit, take us through the key observations made by the Supreme Court, and when can we expect now further action?
Well, after nearly a 2-hour-long hearing, the Apex Court reserving its judgment, clarifying that it will be issuing guidelines that will be applicable across the country to across all states as well as all religious communities. The Apex Court was particular in pointing that out. All of this on the back of various petitions being filed before the Apex Court, pointing out cases of quote-unquote bulldozer justice being followed in states such as UP, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. And these are some of the concerns that were highlighted by the petitioners, that there is a weaponization of municipal laws, that demolitions are being done in a way so as to target people who have been accused of crimes such as rioting, that there is no remedy, there is no legal remedy made available to these persons, and that this is being even brandished by politicians as a case of swift justice. Now, the Apex Court made various observations. Number one, the Supreme Court observed that it is secular in nature. The guidelines that will be issued will be applicable to all religious communities, and also pointing out that demolitions should not be used in a way to target people who have been accused of a crime, going in to say that demolition should only be done in cases where there is, in fact, a violation of municipal laws. And even in that situation, there needs to be due process followed, which is issuance of, number one, a notice, and then subsequently making a suggestion that even in such cases, after the demolition order has been passed, a 10 to 15-day window is provided to the accused. Now, what's important here is that the Solicitor General, defending the states of UP, Rajasthan, as well as MP, sought to defend, saying that it should not be colored, this demolition should not be colored as a religiously motivated exercise, but rather the Apex Court should be careful that the guidelines should not in any way take away powers of the municipal board, of the municipal administrative bodies, and also importantly, should not take away, should not give undue benefits to what the Solicitor General called serial encroachers. So that's the word of caution coming in from the Solicitor General. All eyes now on the Apex Court as it gets set to deliver its judgment.
All right, Ashmit, appreciate you joining us. Well, it is the final